perfectly straight?
I'm sitting up how it allows me to sit up.
Or should I do this?
No, because now you're blocking me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my...
Hey guys! Welcome back!
If you're already dating, don't yawn!
Making fun
You're
is
just
so
like
funny.
this.
I had to yawn.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week we are doing a bit of a different styling video. So a follower had requested that we do date night looks. Her reasoning behind it was that, you know, now that things are starting to open back up and she wanted some kind of date night outfit ideas, whether it be a first date, like, you know, maybe you matched with someone on Tinder during quarantine and you guys are like finally hanging out. Or if you're already dating, don't yawn. Or if you're already dating someone and you guys just need some ideas, at least for me, because I hadn't been styling outfits for like almost 2 months, I totally lost my sense of style. So I can only imagine how hard it is for other people to try and formulate outfits. So yeah, do you have anything to add to that?
No. So today we're gonna do three different styles of date look outfits, and the first one's gonna be like a daytime casual, kind of like your first date, and then the second one will be more of like your nighttime casual look, and the third one's gonna be like another nighttime but more elevated look, not so casual at that time.
All right, let's get this thing started. Look number one, this is daytime casual. So I actually have two different shoe options, but we're gonna start with just sneakers first. So do you want to explain your outfit?
Yeah, so I got these Chuck Taylor Converse high tops.
You're gonna have to like
They're
stood up more.
Oh, okay. This shirt is actually Hanes, and my lovely wife right here, she bought it for me.
It was a Hanes and Express collaboration.
Yeah, and then these shorts are actually from PacSun.
Yeah,
So
you wore them to Stagecoach last year. Oh my god, I love them.
I did.
And then my outfit is just a bodysuit, just like a denim white skirt, and then just like a white shirt. I feel like especially if this is a first date look, I feel like you never want to try too hard. Like you want to look like you're fashionable, but you don't want to be like, oh, I took a really long time to think of this outfit. So I feel like stuff like this, it's very put together, but it's also casual, it's basics, and I don't know, it just like...
You don't want to come off too hard and too loud.
Right, exactly. So, yeah.
Exactly.
And then also another option, I'm just gonna kick these off.
We just happen to be matching on our first
I know,
date.
how
Little did you
awkward.
guys know.
Another option are these little thong white sandals that you guys have seen me pair with a bunch of stuff. It just kind of depends on the activity, but this is still a really cute option. It's just a little bit more dressy, as you can see. But I don't know, like, do you like this better or do you like the Chucks?
I like the Chucks. I'm more of a casual guy. I really like really casual stuff. So I'm more of a big fan of like Chucks.
Yeah, but
Heels are fine.
maybe the dude that this chick is going on a date with is not a super casual guy. Are most guys casual though?
She's right, but most guys are casual.
Are they really?
Yes.
Oh. Yeah.
I mean, we'll dress up when we need to, but at the end of the day.
So, would you prefer to see a chick on the first date in small heels or in sneakers?
Probably sneakers.
Really?
Yeah, because I feel like at that point, she's just being herself really for the most part. She's not trying to really like, oh my gosh, I gotta put heels on, I gotta do this, I gotta do that. No, just go with it. Yeah. It's just casual.
I saw on
TikTok.
shoes, I saw on TikTok too, it was like a girl asking questions, and then you can do like a duet or answer the questions on your own thing. It was the typical, do guys like girls when they wear makeup? You know, like, do you just like when girls are in jeans and t-shirt versus like a really dressed up outfit? And do you guys just prefer like very simple?
Very simple. She's pretty not that simple sometimes.
Well, yeah, but you know, you married me, so it is what it is.
But your simple is different than another simple at the same
Like my
time.
simple isn't boring.
Yeah,
I feel like.
Yeah.
Because I like
you don't want to come in like a Fox Racing T-shirt and like a pair of jeans and stuff like that. No offense.
I know, but like sometimes girls just need ways of elevating basics without like I said, oh, you look really put together and it's a super simple, they're super simple pieces, but it didn't look like you sat there and tried super hard, you know what I mean?
Of course.
So, okay. Now, I have another day outfit. It's a little bit, so this one's kind of girly.
Can I exit and go turn on my other outfit?
But we're still on the day look. Just talk to my audience. How about you let everyone know what our first date was and what you wore and what, do you remember what I wore?
To the Clipper game or the Laker game? Because which one would you really...
The Clipper game, I guess, is like our first date.
Clipper game.
Okay, let me change.
Well, Clipper game, I just wore... What did I wear that day?
You wore a white shirt?
I wore just a white t-shirt.
You got your brand new tattoo.
Yeah, I just got tattooed like the night before. And I wore a white t-shirt like this, but in actual sleeves. And then my tattoo was rubbing all over and got black ink on it. It was great. The other thing was I had light denim Zara jeans, a white t-shirt, and just some, I think it was some white high-top chucks, actually.
Chalks?
Hot chucks. Chucks.
Chuck?
High top.
Chucks?
High-top white chucks.
No,
Converse.
I think you wore flat sole, like, Zara shoes or something.
No,
like
I didn't.
That.
I wore
No, you know what?
I
You
wore
wore your
chucks.
red Pumas.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. You're all red Pumas.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Record.
What did I wear? Do you remember?
You wore
Because I
a
know.
Clipper beanie.
I did?
Yeah, I think it was like a black. I think you just wore black on black. And then you wore like a sweater or something over it or something like that.
Leather jacket.
No, it wasn't a leather jacket.
Really?
No. See, Jess thinks she remembers all this stuff. I think she just makes it up in her head and convinces herself.
Whatever.
Alright, can I go change it?
No.
This. Why?
Because.
I don't need to be in every shot.
Okay, move over, pal. No! We have to show each other, everyone, like the. Okay. So then here's the second option. Do you like this option?
No.
Really?
No.
Why?
Because I don't.
Why not?
I mean, I think it's totally cool as far as like your style and what you're trying to achieve. But like, if you showed up first date and that.
Okay, what if it wasn't the first date? This could be early stages of dating. You're walking on the pier or just like hanging out, whatever. Cash. It's cute. It's trendy.
I guess.
Whatever, you're fake.
Guys aren't into that stuff though.
Okay, but if I were to wear this now, or if I were to wear this
No,
like
it's
when we were
fine.
dating, yeah.
No, it's fine. But we're talking about early dating.
This is fine for early dating.
Fine, it's fine. It's
okay,
fine. Don't.
Well, this is another option for just like a really casual look. Again, oversized denim jacket because casual. And then just a matching set of Barker shorts. This is like an old sports bra top that I have that I also wear all the time and you guys know of. And then some Doc Martens. So this could be like a bar outfit or, you know, walking on the pier or... Well, also everyone is so limited to what they can do right now. But again, we're just here to provide some little... you know, inspo and what you can wear and whatnot. Yeah, this is another option for a casual day look. Ooh. We're not matching, but I guess it doesn't matter because, you know, it's not like you're gonna match your outfits with the dude you're dating. But
I have some lipstick on your cheeks. Can I fix it for you?
thanks. Okay, so
Let me talk first.
okay, whatever.
So I have on Yeezy 500s, bone white. I have these cargo pants from H&M, and I have this graphic T-shirt by Forgiven, and you can read it. It's got Kanye on it. Yay. I'm really big into streetwear. I've always been into streetwear. It's probably my favorite style of clothing, and that I feel most comfortable in clothes like this. So this is more of like my casual like nighttime, because that's what I feel like the most confident in, to be honest with you.
For me, again, we're gonna play with basics. So I put on jeans because nighttime, and And then I have some little strappy heels, nothing too tall. And then just this like little bralette top. So this is actually the same type of bra, sports bra, as that black one that I just wore, but in white, obviously, and it's just a tank. So, you know, any crop top, and then showing a little bit of like midriff, but not too much. Can you hold this, please?
This is my bag.
Stop. And then to kind of just make it a little bit more smart casual, an oversized blazer, because it is nighttime, you're probably gonna get cold. And if you're gonna date someone like him, he's obviously not gonna bring a jacket, so you have to bring one for yourself.
That's true. I don't bring jackets almost ever.
And then just a little casual, like, little white clutch or whatever. This is something that if you feel like it is too serious, again, you can just take the blazer off and just kind of hold it, drape it, whatever. But yeah, I feel like this is, again,
and the
very put together,
yeah,
but you're not trying too hard.
And I think it's okay that you and your date don't match. You don't have to match.
We would unintentionally
match.
Awkward.
It wasn't like the same clothing, obviously. I wasn't wearing the same tube top or blazers or whatever. But we were wearing like the same color scheme, like from top to bottom. And that's okay. But like right now, we're completely opposite in styles and color. And I think it's kind of cool that way because you kind of balance each other out at the same time.
And here we have the more upscale, dressy date night look. Can I talk first?
So this shirt.
Okay, so for me, I just love looking very sleek, very chic. So I love doing all black with pants. However, okay, so I know some girls may think like, oh, since it is more of like an upscale date night, I need to wear a little dress or whatever. What is your take on that?
I don't think you have to wear a dress.
Why?
Because I think just this outfit is perfect.
But what if what is your preference of pants and a bodysuit over like a mini dress?
Dress is like, at the end of the day, a dress to me still reminds me too much of a dance. Like you're going to some like some like banquet or like
the club,
some huge party or a club. Like I don't know. That's just my opinion. You're asking for my opinions. I'm giving you my facts. Like,
so I just did a very simple bodysuit. This one's the Zara one that everyone and their mothers have, and then just some tailored ankle pants, and then heels. I don't know if you guys can see, but just some simple, very simple heels and some gold accessories. Not too much, but again, I just like to look very sophisticated, and I don't want to look too available and too like I can't hold my own. I feel like this outfit shows that like I'm independent. I'm not gonna take the bill, but I'm independent and I can pay for it, but I'm not gonna, you know?
Yeah, because you're married.
This is stupid. Okay, but I do have a little mini dress outfit that I'm just gonna put on anyways for girls who do like dresses, and Tyler can talk about his outfit and whatever.
My outfit, I got
Wait, hold on, time out. Okay, go.
This red and black flannel, a little bit of gold in it. It's from Zara. I have this black long line thermal underneath it. It's also from Zara. These black ripped jeans, Forever 21. And my all white Air Force Ones. Holla at your boy. I chose this because it's my natural feel. I like the flannels. I like flannel shirts, nice flannel shirts, like just a thermal shirt or t-shirt underneath it. Nice pair of jeans, and you can still make shoes like sneakers like a little bit more dressier, just depending on the outfit itself. So that's why I like it.
Okay, so now I have my little dress outfit. So why do you not prefer this over the pants? Because I still feel like this is cute.
So the way you first described it was with like, I feel like you were just wearing a dress. You didn't tell me you were wearing a blazer. So just this. Yeah. You said a dress outfit.
I guess.
If you say dress with blazer, that's way different.
I personally wouldn't. I mean, I know a lot of girls like.
If you're showing up just this, you're looking at me saying, we're hitting the club tonight. Because that's exactly what it looks like.
To you.
Exactly. You're asking me, so I'm giving the statement.
But I'm just still letting you know not everyone is the same. So I don't want you to make girls who would show up like this feel bad.
You asked for a man's opinion. I'm giving you my honest opinion.
Just yours.
My opinion is different from everybody else's. That's
Yeah.
why it's called an opinion.
But I mean, would you like? Do you still like this?
That is fine
Why?
because it looks more professional.
Okay.
To me, it looks a little bit not even professional. I want to say respectable. Because you are wearing a dress, however, you're not allowing people to show. You're not allowing people to see what you have underneath there at the same time. So that's why I think
keeping the goods covered, but still showing some goods because it's like, hey, I'm confident, I can show leg, but like, okay, well, for me, a rule of thumb of a going out date night look is that if I'm choosing to accentuate my legs, I want to be relatively covered up on the top. Or if I wanted to do like a low back halter top or something, then I'm gonna make sure that my legs are covered. This way your outfit just has more of a balance instead of just like showing everything all at once, if that makes any sense. So that's just one small little rule or tip that I generally like to abide by when I am going on a date.
Alright guys, so that does it. We hope you enjoyed each of these looks that we provided you with. And we hope that you kind of took something away with it, something that you learned about us and throughout the entire process. Again, it's about what you feel good in, what you like, what you feel comfortable in. Be confident in it. So.
Yeah. And even if the date doesn't go well or you don't get like a second date or whatever, doesn't matter. You still looked great and that's all that matters. And at least they'll remember you for having a pop-in outfit.
I'm done.